Alright guys, well, here's your favorite vacuuming as well as mine. I'm gonna get this floor clean. It's been a while since I vacuumed, so I'm actually starting to feel more better, so I'm gonna run it right now. Here we go. Give me just a minute, guys, here. Time to do some cleanup, guys. A lot better than what I have been, so yeah, a lot better. Alright guys, well I see that we have a little top cap for it, so we're gonna solve that little problem with this little line here. See how it works out, guys. So we're a little short on. Okay, so we're going to do red the brush here. We're going to add the brush here. Let's do a little bit of stretching here. Oh, geez. There's a pop cap right there. There you go. Alright guys, so I got 2 soda bottle caps out of that. Basically work out. Alright guys, well now I can finish cleaning the rest of the kitchen floor here. Ooh, well, share that later. Okay. little cereal here. Guys, this vacuum does really well for itself in size. I mean, really good for a compact little vacuum. There you go. There you go, guys. There's some crumbs and stuff, but not that bad of them. I know I should have vacuumed before, but when you're not feeling the greatest, guys, you don't really feel like doing much at all, you know? Damn it, guys, this little cord seems to have gotten hammock, guys. Seems to have got like a little, just a little knotted up, not bad. Nothing too badly. I honestly have to say, guys, this vacuum is doing a really great job for. I'm really, really thankful that Lois gave me this vacuum. I'm really happy that I found it good for a friend also, guys. Pick up this hand towel, guys, so don't get caught in my brush roll. Here we go. Get the light for this here. This part's a little shadier part of my room, guys, so. Guys, this vacuum should do a great job getting all the garbage that I can't get usually. Yeah, look at that. Look at all that. See, look at it. Right up into the side, I mean. This vacuum is actually a huge help where I can't normally get a full-size regular vacuum, guys. Guys, in any event, should anything ever happen? Ooh, this is my fault. In any event, should anything ever happen to this vacuum, guys, I would definitely get another motor put in here, guys, because there's no more Dirt Devil Dynamites that are being manufactured. So yeah, this is a keeper, guys. Here you go. This is a little bit of tile from the vacuum. I don't want to make too much noise. The girl downstairs still making me sleeping. The woman below me, she's probably sleeping. The girl. bathroom floor a little bit. It's kind of dirty and nasty, you know. Ooh, there you go. Alright guys, so last video someone said keep the camera on the vacuum, so we'll do that. Give me a minute. Put the saw down so I gotta take it off. You guys all see the vacuum? There you go, it's on the vacuum guys. Sometimes there's things I have to go around, guys, so I gotta pay attention to what's on the floor. Sometimes I can't always get the vacuum in the shot like I want. Oh, wow. Oh, I checked the cord. Alright guys, so let's see how much dirt we picked up with dynamite today. Well, we picked up some wrappers and what other fine things there? Guess I don't know why they never put a bottom door on this thing, but they basically designed it to where you do this. So give me a minute here guys. I'm going to put you guys facing downward for a minute. Actually, towards me. I just get my face over my t-shirt so I don't get any dust, but I'm not going to hold it towards myself when I do this neither. So here we go. Hang on 1 second, guys. I'll show you how much dirt I got in a minute. We reinstall my dirt lid. Alright, guys, so based off of that, did pretty good. Got a good bottom bag full of dirt and stuff, so that's good. Let's see if my squirrel came out to eat. Let's take a look out the window, guys. And no, probably not yet. If he doesn't come out by around 1:30, I'll just clean up and empty his bowl out if he doesn't come out by 1:32, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But guys, this is a really, oops, freaking cord got caught on my shoe. That's right. This is a really freaking good vacuum. It really is. I mean, I paid $0 for it, so even better. So it's free. You know, free is the best part. Sometimes not always. You know, all depends on the person's outlook and perspective on things, guys. You know, some people might not like the older units, but I love the older units, really. I mean, this is the one that's discontinued, guys. You cannot just go buy this from Amazon or anywhere. You actually have to physically go hunt this thing down. or try and find one online, which is probably not going to be likely unless you go buy it used. Now you could go to buy one used. Now keep this in mind, guys. If you go and buy a vacuum like this and it needs a motor, vacuum shops are going to charge you so much that, well, they're going to say it's not worth it, you should buy a new one. Well, if they're willing to do it, say, hey, how much? I'll pay you to do it. Sometimes you got to tell them, you're really not interested in your vacuum. You don't want your vacuum or whatever. You don't want a different style vacuum. Sometimes just pay them what they want, guys. And when you pay a tech what they want to work on something, guys, they will fix it. When they see that they're getting what they're deserving to work on things, guys, especially for less desirable vacuums that they don't care to be working on, sometimes their attitude will change towards the whole thing and they'll want to work on it and service it for you guys. But have a nice rest of your Monday. Really excited to see what kind of, I'm waiting on some packages to show up from their TikTok shop, I guess. I don't know what I've got coming here. I know one's a big box and one's a small. So we'll see what I got for birthday presents coming. So far just those two boxes, so we'll see. Alright guys, well, I'm going to go and put this away by the fish here. Snoopy and Charlie Brown are... Oh, Charlie Brown and Pat, you're doing really well. My bad. Let me just get this here. I parked it there. Alright guys. You're going to go and swim. I'm going to turn off the lights so you can relax. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's more to come.